At Tampa International, heavy rain and fog. The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Polk County and central Florida, northeastern Hillsborough County and west central Florida until 5:30 p.m. At 5:01 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located north of Plant City, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
PJ Experts.
This tornadic storm will be near Comby Settlement around 5:20 p.m. Lakeland around 5:25 p.m. Fussell's Corner around 5:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Kathleen, Gibsonia, Polk City, and Winston. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may have this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Florida: Hillsborough and Polk,